All right, hello everybody. I had been requested to do a video a couple of weeks ago. I made some popcorn, and my friend just raved over it, wanted to know how I made it, and I just told her it was a big secret, and that I would have to just show her. So anyway, it's no secret. All we're doing is we're adding butter, but here we do. Let's see if we can do this real quick just to show you. You gotta be careful not to go through both sides of the bag first. Real careful on that first one. And then put your fingers under it and open. You can see you can open it on both sides. And it's real easy. The biggest secret is to not that it's a secret, but to put this butter in here without getting butter all over the paper, because we're going to tape it back up. That's what the big deal is with that roll right there. So I had already pre-cut those because I knew I was going to come in here trying to do this a little bit quicker. Slide in there about a couple of tablespoons or however much you want. Of course, that will have something to do with the timing. Now I've got a 1100 watt microwave, so I use 2 minutes and 20 seconds. And I'll show you another thing. When you use the microwave, lay a plate on top of it. You lay a plate, put a plate in the microwave, turn it upside down so that you actually would lay this on the bottom of the plate. Tape this up carefully so you don't get any kind of leakage of the steam. That's the whole thing about it. It's not necessarily the butter or the juice leaking out of this tape. It's the steam leaking out. That steam helps to make the popcorn. So I flatten that out as much as possible. And then there it would be. I just lay that in the microwave on this plate for 220. Just pop that in there just like that. 1, 2, 220. Then I'm going to pause this